Are you struggling with managing IT support for your business? Want to automate the process and make things more efficient without hiring a full team of IT professionals? Stick around, because in this video, we're diving into how to automate your IT support process with GoTo Resolve. But stay with me, because I'll also share some alternatives that might work even better depending on your needs. Let's start with what GoTo Resolve offers. It's a cloud-based IT management tool that helps you streamline support processes and cut down on time spent handling IT issues. It integrates remote support, monitoring, and ticketing all in one platform, allowing your team to focus on more strategic work while it handles the rest. Next thing you'll love about GoTo Resolve is its simplicity. The interface is easy to navigate, making it user-friendly even for those who aren't IT experts. You don't need extensive technical knowledge to get started. From setting up support channels to providing remote assistance, everything is designed to be intuitive. This is a huge plus if you're looking to automate IT support without a steep learning curve. The fourth thing you should consider is the tool's automation features. GoTo Resolve offers customizable workflows and automated ticket routing, which is perfect for businesses that handle multiple IT requests at once. The system can automatically assign tickets based on urgency or department, meaning that your team doesn't have to spend time sorting through requests. It's an efficiency boost that directly impacts response times and overall customer satisfaction. Now, GoTo Resolve offers a solid set of features, but there are some areas where it could do better. One issue I've noticed is its pricing. While it's affordable for smaller businesses, larger organizations may find the costs adding up if they need more advanced features or a larger user base. So, if you're planning to scale your IT support system in the future, be prepared for potential cost hikes. And here's the thing, while GoTo Resolve is a decent option, there are a few other tools that might serve your business needs even better. Take Freshdesk, for example. It offers similar automation features, but its ticketing system is more robust, and it's got stronger integrations with other tools you might already be using. Another alternative is Zoho Desk, which gives you more flexibility when it comes to custom automation roles. Both of these platforms offer great free trials and may be better suited for your IT support goals, depending on your company's size and requirements. The final thing to keep in mind is that, although GoTo Resolve provides an easy solution, the real winner here is the software that fits your specific IT goals. Whether it's GoTo Resolve or one of its competitors, you want to make sure it scales with your business as you grow. Now, here's the best part. If you're interested in GoTo Resolve, I've got an exclusive extended free trial for you, just for our viewers. But wait, I'm also giving you a look at those alternatives I mentioned, all of which have free trials of their own. By using the link below, you'll unlock the best deals and exclusive benefits that you can't get anywhere else. So, whether you stick with GoTo Resolve or choose one of the alternatives, remember that automating your IT support process can make all the difference. Thanks for watching, and check out the links below to grab your exclusive trials and benefits.